And yeah, I accept that. I'm not going to go around that. But you see the local shop where she talk about, I try every ways. Active big up yourself, I try every ways and means to make you feel comfortable in that. And that she for talk about. That she for talk about. You see me? And it's like I'm glad I work with my feelings and take our things them out of my shop. I'm glad I work with my feelings and put our things them outside of my shop. Yeah. Can you see there? A Lando come feed. Lando where she even come on the live come telling me say, oh, remember you know I come out and me I say, yo guys, I catch her text me now. And she come out and say, I block him. I block him, black what? Black what? Guys, thanks so much for this. I'm a fool too, you know, may I show you how I'm a fool. May I show you how I'm a fool. She said to me, say, I will shoot for one of the help out one of them. I don't have a problem with that. So I say, alright. I'm there for my live, and as I say, I don't really go live. You see me? She said, oh, you not shoot for me, you not shoot for me, you not shoot for me. We go up on my live one night here and I get a bag of something. And I recharge, I get around $300 worth of gift. And I recharge 200. First 200 I recharge and send her, give her out. Goddess, thank you so much. Give her out. You see me? Them time they know she right now her TikTok account stack up. I remember me telling them I'm not go live. When she there, I'm not go live. You see me? Yo, no there, so in I chat with Becca and tell us if I go home here. Yeah, tell us if I go on home. Yes, I'm there, I'm not leave from here because here I go. I don't want to vibes with that. Me there, so she there, so go on her yard. I'm tell her already, I not no money for give her for go home. I not no money. She need to find her money and go home. I have no money. The money I have, a sheet spend pan, and the money I have, a sheet I shoot for her. Bro.
So your money done? Your money done?
Hold on, I'm there. And
if your money done, that's why she a go answer to.
No man, I'm there. I'm going to go up on the live and be people send me a bag of thing. Right, I wish you tell me, say, yo, you need to start shoot for me, you know. Right, you see them there and I shoot a couple things for her. And when I tell her I stay and lie down, she take out my phone and start shoot for herself. You see me, I'm not find nothing wrong with that. You see me, because I'm a woman. And here she tell me now, say.
Your house a shop. Bumbo clot! What a wickedness! A big disrespect that my father. Me not take them disrespect there. One, yo, bro, you see some father disrespect you can't take. But you see that disrespect you big.
Him know we not rich, I get to you, man.
Guys, use a chip here, guys. Use a chip here. Use a chip here. Use a chip.
Yesterday, I show her them. I say, watch out. Yo.
Yeah.
We're not short. I remember I step on that.
Is it over here?
I don't know where the drunk is. Differently, see, I don't want an argument today. Yeah, I don't want an argument.
Anything you want.
That done go on already, you know. Chat about it.
One thing, One thing me I gonna say, I'm want to ask her.
I'm gonna follow her up with her.
So because everybody was taking over the time, we all time are loaded at the meal. God troubles at the blood clot. Say, so because everybody know the thing was spin at the good thing I would not Queenie, Queen Wave. Say, you know the thing go. Yeah, I'm chatting.
So yes, God will bless and a sweet tooth craving for all party function, wedding, birthday, anything, engagement, you get the bumps about, you get this flushy, whatever, sweet tooth craving. Run the track, man. And today's Madison's birthday, happy birthday, Madison. They've got richest blessing when in the order the bumps about on your personal life. See that today is Madison's birthday. And her name is here to still really compound skill too. Right? Get your church.
Fully. Don't know badness come down, man. Life they have to live, so we just have to go and live it, you know? Yeah, watch it. Body curry me eat from I come to Jamaica, you know? 1 year since me not get none of them good curry, you know? Yeah. You don't know it, cheat them there. I go and hold it said we, you know? Yeah. I cool, man. Fully. Dog them there go and normal out. And I play pool. You know? One bomb them at them, you know? Fully. Doing it, boss.
I don't worry.
No, they will just go and live. Just go and live some life, you know? Yeah, that.
I'm worried.
Yeah.
I know still
Oh, that. I know still it.
do it.
Girl, them say I do it. No, that. I fully, man. I will out to do, man. Yeah, that. Oh, God. See that? Oh, God, man. Oh, God. Yeah, man, I really G them there, man, I go and hold it, you understand? Yo, youths, life they out there for living, you know. So here we go on. You see, if you chat the bad part, let's chat the good part, you hear that? Believe the man, a life there for live. You see what time of night now? At 1:14 in the morning and you G them there with me. Yeah, we tell you, not a new believer, always a true believer, you know. Oh God!
Yeah. Me and them no grounds, man. So me up in frowns, man. See them down a town, man. Hook up with the brown, man. Man a pound, man. We and a brown, man. Not post like them a sound. Me said, down, man. Find you lose your crown, man. Back up, pound, man. No step out of